Hey, what's up, Scorpio? Welcome to the Awakened Vizion. Nice to see you at this time. This is your energy update for the next few moving forward. Whenever you fall upon the message was meant for you at the time, take what resonates, however, if it's your situation, and use the information appropriately. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into your message and see, what you're dealing with at this moment. Okay, the song that I'm hearing, I just heard a song. Can you? Is it Lose My Breath by Destiny's Child? I kept hearing that. Can you keep up? Make me lose my breath. Make me lose my breath. So it seems as though maybe some of you are trying to run away from someone, or you're trying to get away from someone here. You've been running for a long time. You're losing your breath. Now, some of you could be cross-country runners or long-distance runners here. But there's something about that that's coming up. Okay, so we have Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, so something about the body, something personal here. Let's see. What else do we have for Scorpio at this time, please? Yeah, we have be assertive. Yeah, so you're asserting a lot of your energy doing something at this moment. Again, like I said, a lot of you could be runners, or you could be in sports. You have conclusions are within reach, full moon eclipse. There could be, don't stop. So there could be something that um, you're trying to reach at this time. You're kind of like at the end of it. So I'm really getting you exerting a lot of your energy, Scorpio. Okay, I'm getting you're going like full speed ahead, or um you're using a lot of your energy at once. I'm getting bursts of speed here, like speed bursts. Okay, we have don't stop. There's something better. Listen to your intuition. Yeah, you know something is closer. You know that you're about to receive something here, and you're not going to stop until you receive it here. No matter how at a loss of breath you are about to receive something. You're going to make sure that here. Yeah, we have expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. Okay, we have faith in your dreams. Yeah, it's like no matter what, Scorpio, this is your energy. You are going to receive something. I mean, it's as simple as that. Those two have words, Scorpio. Yeah, we have prosperity begins. Okay, because there's a plan. We have awakening. Okay. Yeah, so something's being held for you, but then we also have release right here. The dreamer. Okay, so a lot of you are going through a period of awakening here. You see things differently. I'm definitely getting something about a shock factor or doing something that is shocking to others. I'm getting you're about to surprise someone here with the power that you have. Maybe someone felt as though you were going to give up and quit. So you're going to lose breath before you could finish something out. But you're about to surprise someone with how much tenacity you actually have. Because you know that whatever you're trying to achieve is meant for you. That's how you feel. It's yours and only yours. And so you would do whatever possible um, in order to receive it. Yeah, we just had your energy and was it judgment? Yes. We have the wheel. All right, things are continuously moving. Sacrifice, and we have 8 power. Powerful, powerful, powerful change. There's some transformation here. There is some transformation. I'm getting something as a hybrid to intuition. I'm getting you are about to become a hybrid here. Also, there's something about your ability to make money. Something about that is changing here. Maybe someone felt as though you relied on inheriting something because of who you are, your name. They didn't realize, or they're not realizing that you are actually able to create your own inheritance. Someone felt as though you weren't going to get something, and it could involve money, it could involve finances. They felt as though you wouldn't get it or you wouldn't be able to receive something because you um, are dependent on inheriting something or receiving something from someone else that is your energy. So someone took your energy um, as is, but I'm getting there's something that you're finding out that you're realizing here throughout this process that will surprise someone or that will shock someone. All right, with the results. Okay. All right, Scorpio, let's continue. Um, I'm getting birds waking you up at night. I'm getting like birds flying at your window, flying around your window, or flying through your window and waking you up at night. Or like birds are hitting your window, or something's hitting your window. Like something's trying to get in, something's trying to get through, something's trying to come into your house. I'm also getting something about your attic, like things running around in your attic if you have one. There's like this energy of something waking you up at night. You hear sounds in your attic or upstairs. Yeah, we have the 2 of Wands. All right, so making some good choices and making good decisions here. Okay, also something about Friday. Friday is your day Okay, we have the Seven of Coins. All right, to prepare for something, to get something together. Page of Cups, because there could be an invite that's coming in. There could be a water sign or an earth sign that's giving you somewhat of an invite here. Okay, you're being invited into something. I'm also getting something about mystical dreams or some sort of an invitation into the spiritual realm. So you're being invited into the spiritual realm here, Scorpio. I'm getting a lot of movements here. All right, so we have the Ace of Coins. Nice. Or the One of Coin. Okay. We have the Nine of Cups. All right, so being pleased with something. I heard something about the pleasure is all mine. So I'm getting that you are actually at this place where you don't mind doing something. You actually want to do it all. You don't mind it because something is pleasing you in return. You're receiving pleasure by doing something. Maybe you're giving yourself pleasure. We have the Four of Swords. Yeah, you could be in the bed doing something. Now, of course, this could be an edible or taking some sort of something, and you're receiving pleasure from it. All right, so we have Emperor. We have the Emperor here, and we have the Eight of Coins. All right, so there could be something in regards to work. All right, so there could be a boss here. There could be someone who is of high importance um, that has work for you to do. Now, some of this could involve research. At the beginning, we did say being invited into the spiritual realm. So I'm getting something about Ra or Amun Ra. Yeah, so we have the Five of Pentacles here. All right, so there could be something about assistance or help that's here. Someone needs your assistance in regards to something. Um, they need your aid. This could be public assistance, or this could be some sort of assistance that's coming through. Do that for 2 wands, please. Temperance. All right, so you're in good energy here. You're talking to spirits. Ten of Swords. All right, but it could be coming through as like voices in your head. All right, a lot of synchronicities that are coming through. So there is some sort of guidance here, but it could be scaring you um, a bit. Okay, or you could be worried about the messages that you are receiving. Some of you could be trying to decipher something here. Yeah, we have the Six of Wands. All right, but that's pretty good energy. Okay, so I'm getting you're worried or you're nervous for nothing. But it might be the amount of information that's coming through. And so processing the information could be what's worrying you just a tad bit. Okay, Prince of Wands, but you're receiving good information. You're receiving information to kind of like continue to do something. Don't stop. All right, continue what you started. All right, so you've started something here. And there are messages that are coming through to kind of like ease your minds a bit, okay? Because you might be a little nervous, you might be worried, you might be staying awake at night, can't find yourself, fall resting. You can't rest here because there could be maybe something that's coming up in the next 2 days, or where it's kind of like making you a little nervous just a tad bit. Yeah, we have the Ace of Wands. All right. So continuing something that you started, something's coming through. That's a yes. We have the King of Wands. Okay, you could be dealing with a fire sign, the Empress. What's the Page of Cups reverse? The Hierophant, the Queen of Swords. Okay. Yeah, the High Priestess. Again, like I said, there could be some deciphering that's going on. Someone needs kind of like your intel on something, or your intelligence. It could be a study. It could be a book. It could be some sort of read here. So some of you could be what's it called? You could be into literature. Queen of Swords, the Star. Something also is scientific, futuristic. So something could be coming up and someone needs your assistance in regards to something, okay? You're a master here in regards to something, or you have some sort of intel or a message to give, and there's someone that's kind of like looking for this from you. You have a certain connection with the spirit world, so they need your assistance here, because something is spiritual. Emperor, please. Yeah, the Eight of Swords. Okay, the Two of Cups. It could be like a relationship. It could be in regards to relationships. Someone's having relationship issues. Five of Pentacles. They were put out of the house. Okay, or there's something that's going on financially. The Five of Pentacles is popping up right here. We have it under there. So someone wants to strike a deal with you. The Chariot. It's like someone wants to the Chariot. Here's another title card, but it has a different appearance here. So there could be something about cover art. Someone wants you to create cover art here. Because I'm getting someone's using AI or to create something, but something's not coming out the way that they want to, or they're receiving their information from AI or from an artificial source, and it's not giving them the response or the answer that they want, that they need. So they need your assistance to, because something could be quite technical, but at the same time, again, spiritual. And that's what something lacks. It lacks spirit. And someone needs your connection to spirit to appropriate something or to deliver a thorough message. All right, yeah, we have the Two of Wands. Okay, I'm getting that you're going with something. Okay, because here we have the Two of Wands, we have the Chariot coming out here. So I'm getting something definitely is progressive, or it's progressing. And again, this could be a partnership that's being established. And there could be an energy of trying something out, just testing something out to see if it'll work for you for the next, few days. Okay, but we're dealing with an opportunity here. What's the Eight of Coins? Or potential for something to be great, Yeah, we have the Four of Swords. All right, so you finally have that peace of mind at the end of this. Okay, I'm getting work definitely gives you that peace of mind that you need. We have the Wheel of Fortune right here. Yeah, so I definitely see you working for someone here. Again, like I said, it could be someone who is a big deal in some sort of way. And they need your assistance. Because what they're trying to do is they're trying to strike a deal, a major deal, or make deals with others, but whatever they're using now to aid them through the situation is not, it's not human, it's not spirit. What else do we have here? Basic points. Yeah, 36 distant horizons. Yeah, so something could take some getting used to, is what I'm going to say here. But we have 27 unexpected income. Okay, so this is a payout. So I'm getting someone might pay you in advance. So the thing is, someone will give you half of the offer, and then once the job is done, they'll give you. So there might be an energy of down payment. Someone needs to give you a down payment, maybe 2 days before you actually start doing the work. And then when you start doing the work, someone will give you the rest of the payments, is what I'm getting. Distant horizons. All right, unexpected income, and then we have mature woman here. Now, someone might want to bring you on as a manager of some kind, to manage, to oversee family room. Yeah. So this could be dealing with like a family business, family owned, operated, ran. And you might be an outsider. Of course, this could be in regards to culture, a specific culture. You're not a part of someone's culture, but they feel as though you have the spirit of their culture. They feel as though they're a part of their culture, and right now their culture is lacking that spiritual element or that spiritual quality, and they need you to come in to um, work and bringing that spirit back in to the work environment or something about that. Also, there could be, because I'm getting something about conjuring, someone conjured something up, or someone needs you to conjure something up for them. Also, someone, it could be, maybe some of you are crime scene investigators, CSI, or this could definitely be in regards to, some supernatural occurrences that are going on, and you could be a medium of some kind, and someone needs you to come in and clean up the spirits. All right, send them along their way. Yeah, show the world the real you, authentic. Yeah, so there's something unique about your gifts. No need to worry. Yeah, so there's something unique about your gifts here. Maybe you do something, because the high priestess could also be someone who is masked, someone who their identity maybe is covered up just a tad bit, and they don't truly share their gifts like that. Not everyone knows their gifts and what they're capable of. So someone might there could be an instance of someone wanting to videotape you or put you on TV, or they want to tape something with your face, with you in it, or your voice, or something like that, where a part of you will be revealed that you've been keeping like secret or masked, or part of your identity, and that could be what you're nervous about or what's worrying you. Now you're gonna have to reveal yourself out there and what you do, what you're a part of. Okay, because you could have been someone who kind of like gave advice through dreams, or you know um, online through the web or something like that, but now you have to come out and expose what it is that you do. But I'm getting, once you start doing the work, it's actually going to put you at ease. Okay, this is spirit, this is the universe's way to kind of like get you out there and um, allow you to actually be okay with others knowing your gifts or knowing what you're capable of doing. okay? But there is unexpected income that's coming from this. All right. I also see main male. All right. So I'll go ahead and leave it there. I highly appreciate you all for tuning in. If you enjoyed the reading, resonated with it in some type of way, enjoy the way that I deliver the message, I interpret the energies, definitely like, comment, and share. Also, if you haven't already, become a part of the family by clicking on subscribe, all notifications, so that you are reminded when I do release further energy updates. Be on the lookout for those. But until then, Scorpio, I will be talking to you a little bit later. Stay tuned.